All right, here once again. Of course, it's all the way up on R. So it's going to take a long time for it to come.
There you go.
I think they had music blasting down here. It's coming.
They actually, so they painted the walls or changed the walls. It used to be like that brownish.
This is a really tall hydraulic elevator. It's going to take a while.
It's actually brighter than before too. Remember how dark it was here?
They probably put LEDs in. There we go. The chime doesn't seem to work anymore. Hey, we get to sit.
Oh.
Seat time. Hey, what happened to the glass?
It's like
Just spin the elevator. They mirrored it now.
yeah, they did a little bit. Yeah, you can't hear him over anymore. So a better view here. You want to take it down and back up again?
Yeah.
I want to try the chair.
Whoa. I ride the chair down, you ride the chair up.
Okay.
All right, we're here. I'll be waiting for the elevator to return.
Oh, there it goes.
Whoa, cool. You can see it coming through there. We'll ride it back down and we'll go get Connor. He's going to be waiting. We can always come back later.
This is the first time we're actually waiting for an elevator sitting.
Are you going to sit down on the way down?
Oh yeah, yeah. You want me to sit there or?
Yeah, you can sit on the way down.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. That thing went rocky. They tinted these windows. It used to be more like you could see out better.
Yeah, it used to be more transparent. You can't see much anymore.
I want to come back later. You want to come back later?
Tonight or tomorrow?
Well, depends on, we can maybe come back tonight.
Yeah, we can do that.
We can actually go out to the rooftop.
Yeah, let's do that. Do that tonight. Go back in the car. That way I can also show you this spectacular view of downtown at night. It's bumpy.
It's bumpy, all right.